In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call Eventbrite. While you can try reaching Eventbrite by phone, the company primarily steers customers to its online help center and live chat, which tend to be faster and more reliable. I'll clarify what to expect if you try calling and then walk you through the official support path Eventbrite recommends. First, about phone support. There are a few customer service numbers commonly listed online for Eventbrite, and several directories and user reports reference them. However, availability can vary. Some callers reach automated systems, others report long waits, and not every issue can be handled over the phone. If you decide to try calling, set expectations accordingly and have your basic account and order details handy. For privacy, never share passwords or full payment information. Now let's look at the official route, which Eventbrite recommends and typically updates most frequently. Start by going to the Eventbrite Help Center and opening the Contact Us page. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so the system can surface the right options for your profile and recent activity. This helps route your request to the best team and can speed up the response. Next, choose the issue that best describes your situation. You'll see categories for things like ticket questions, event management, billing, and account access. Pick the one that matches what you need, and Eventbrite will present you with recommended actions. From there, select Contact Support to see your contact options. When live chat is available, it's usually the quickest way to get a response from a real agent. If chat isn't visible, it may be outside support hours or the queue may be full, so check back a little later. You can also browse help articles right on the page. These guides often include step-by-step fixes and links that take you directly to the relevant settings in your account, which can be quicker than waiting for an agent. A few tips to make this smoother. Describe your issue clearly and include any relevant order or event information in your message so the agent can jump straight to a solution. Keep an eye out for follow-up emails in case the support team needs more details. If you start a chat, you can usually save or email the transcript for your records. To recap, you can attempt a phone call, but because access to live agents by phone isn't guaranteed, using Eventbrite's Help Center, contact support, live chat, and help articles is the recommended and often fastest path to a resolution.